This demonstration of indico shows how easy it is to create link charts from a wide variety of data. I've loaded a project that has 3 different data sources: a spreadsheet with 3,000 rows of National Science Foundation grant data, a collection of about 300 6-page text documents, and a collection of about 650 XML records about terrorist groups. A basic operation for indico is importing text documents and generating link charts of them. This is easily done by executing a query in a doc set, turning that into a corresponding entity set, and then building a link chart of it. Though this process is fully automated, it's also easy to set up link charting to use structured data. This data comes from a spreadsheet with information on 3,000 National Science Foundation grants. Each row of the spreadsheet includes fields about the recipient, such as names, phone number, and location, as well as who the primary researcher was. Use the Entity Settings dialog to tell Indico how to make a link chart from this data. Entity mapping in Indico is a straightforward drag-and-drop configuration, where a prototype network is drawn using the same interface as Indico's link chart visualization. Sketching out how the link charts should ultimately look makes setting up mappings quick and easy. To gather all the entities from this mapping, simply click the Create Entity Set button. A few seconds later, Indico displays all the various networks of NSF grant recipients based on their connections to each other through phone numbers and principal investigators. To see how central each of these nodes is within the network context, turn on the Betweenness metric, and Indico will highlight the most central nodes in various colors from red to blue. Shown in this manner, it's easy to see that some co-PIs serve as nexus nodes within the various networks. One example is Robert Ross, who connects Cornell, Northwestern, and Penn State universities. Though spreadsheets are one possible source of data for link charts, Indico also enables link charting using XML data. The mapping process is almost identical to that for the spreadsheet example. These XML records contain information about terrorist organizations. Each record contains group name, size, goals, leaders, and related groups. To build a link chart of all the groups as they are connected to each other, not just directly, but through their leaders, all Indico needs is a mapping between the record structure and the way the network should look. As before, to get a collection of all the entities from all these records, use the Create Entity Set button. And then click Link Chart to see it graphically. This shows that most of the connections between groups are directly between related groups. However, in one case, a leader serves as a gateway between 2 portions of the network. This is easiest to see with Indico's clustering layout. This layout, combined with the centrality metrics, makes it easy to identify Manuel Perez Martinez as a key person in this data. This is also evident by viewing the link chart metrics in a sorted list. Manuel Martinez is now shown as the highest ranked person in the main network displayed in this link chart. The centrality ranking also shows Al-Qaeda as an important terrorist organization in this data. To see more about this group, just double-click on the node in the link chart. The Sources tab shows the source data tied to this node. Information on Al-Qaeda comes from two data sources, the terrorist organization XML records just mapped, and some unstructured text documents as well. After browsing the documents in a grid, they can be opened in their original format as well by clicking on the File tab and Project Copy. Exporting a link chart as an image will complete the analysis. To do this, first narrow down the link chart to the pertinent items by using the shortest path tool. Then delete everything not on that path. Now add back some related groups with the Add Related tool. Finally, get rid of nodes that did not add any new connections to the original chain. Now the link chart is ready to export. This concludes this demonstration of the link chart functionality within Indico. If you want to learn more about Indico, see our other videos on YouTube, or to schedule a personal demonstration, please send an email to sales@fpsviz.com. Thank you for watching.